Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, a couple other stocks that we talked about, Tesla and other stocks that we talked about here on our channel. And we're going to talk about those good old moon phases. We're also going to talk about the RSI, the MACD. A lot of bullish things are happening with this moon phase, and that's what we look for, guys. We're even going to look at the S&P 500, just to show you how the moon phase is. Man, guys, you know what? This is why I love trading. Because, of course, this is not something I do all the time, but it's something that I wanted to show you guys how technical analysis can work and emotions of the stock market, how they go hand in hand. Because a thing like this, say a moon comes in, right? You got the emotions. Now you want to see if everything lines up. You get a lot of technicals, candles, maybe some patterns, stuff that can line up for what you're looking at the time to see if you can get that big move. Okay, so that's kind of what we're going to be talking about today's video. And gold at 2,900, man, gold is just doing good this year. It's been doing good the last couple of years. Anyways, guys, so right now we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. We looked at the full moon. Right now, we are on this bullish upside, even though we got this little dip to the downside right here the next day after I charted that full moon. But, the thing about it is not creating a new low. So we don't want to see it going down 94,000. As long as that happens on these moon charts, you can see we don't want it creating a new low. As long as that happens, we should get a nice little push to the upside here, guys. And there's not just that, but there's a lot of confluence if you look at some of the prime time indicators. Okay, we're going to go to those right now. Actually, let me switch charts. Everything you see here is the monthly high, the weekly high, the weekly open, the monthly open, and the weekly low and the monthly low. You can see all those in purple, except for they're all in purple, except for the yearly high and I believe the monthly low. Those are in blue. Okay. So let's see what we're looking at, guys. The current price is 96,728. We got some volatility going up to the upside. We got stochastic on the daily, guys, and this is a daily chart. Okay, right up here it says D. Each one of these candles represents one day. If you want to trade on a shorter time frame, it depends what kind of person you are. If you are scalping, you want to do, 3 to 5 minutes or 15-minute charts. It's up to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of a swing trader looking for that big move, putting big money into it, letting it ride, and doing those type of moves, putting a stop loss on, under 3%. And that's what I like to do, So now, could this go under our low of the moon? It could, but we don't want to see anything more than 3%. You know what I mean? If you get anything more than 3%, let it kick you out. And I'm not just talking about with Bitcoin. We're going to go to other things like stocks and different things of that nature as well. So I'm just giving you guys an example on what I would be doing. Okay, so we got the stochastic on Bitcoin that'll keep crossing to the upside as long as we're above 95,200. Okay, so as long as we close above that tomorrow on that daily candle around 8 p.m. Tomorrow Eastern Standard Times, we should keep seeing some more upside. We got volatility hitting low. So this could be actually, guys, we might get out of this sideways and actually get a nice move to the upside here. Okay, we got the MACD crossing up. We also have two drives of bullish divergence on the RSI, which is nice because I'm going to show you guys what happens when we get that. We got one here that just popped up. We're in a market with red lines. Who cares, right? We have one here. Let's see. We have one. Oops. That one. Nope. That one doesn't count because I just kind of hit the button on that by accident. We have one here. Oops. Shit. Oh, sorry, guys. Let's see here. Messed up on that one. Right here. Okay, we're going to keep going. We're not going to get too into this, but I just want to give you some examples. Okay. Oh, I see one right there. I didn't see that one. Let's check this one out. Let's see. Boom, right there. All right. So now let's go to our chart now and see what happens when we hit these markers, guys. Look at this. Every single one of these went up. So now you got MACD, you got the full moon, you got your RSI, you got so many things pointing to a move to the upside. The good news is we always look at volatility too. And the reason I was talking about it trading sideways like we did for almost a week is because there wasn't much volatility there. There wasn't much action. Okay. But if we go here to our price range, we can see right here we have a $16,000 move at 30%. Okay. We have here a 20%, $11,000 move at 20%. Okay. And then, then we have a move here at 106% at $55,000. Okay. Now, none of these are losers, guys. We have a move here, 18%, 16,000, and now our current move. Where are we going to go, guys? Because every single one of these RSIs, the least amount it did right here was this 18%. So not only do you got volatility, you got the RSI, you got the moon, you have stochastic. There's a lot of positive things going on right now, guys, on this chart. It looks like we're setting up for a nice move to the upside. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But let's face it, guys. The charts will tell you stuff, right? And we're back testing, showing you what it's going to happen. I showed you the moon charts. You look at my video from 5 days ago when I first started those moon charts to give you guys a different look at things. I mean, look at this, guys. Coinbase. Look at Coinbase, up 8% on the day. Let's look at this is from the moons, guy. I'm gonna show you Tesla. Look at this. We talked about Tesla when that moon first hit, up another 5%. Look at this. Tesla. I'm gonna go to my moon chart actually. Let's go to the moon chart and let's go to Tesla. But look at these stocks. These are just stocks now. We're all for crypto. Let's go to stocks. And look at this. Moon, boom. Okay, guys, the best part is we talked about this a week before when I said, hey, look, guys, the moon is on this day. We could prepare for this. 10% on Tesla. Plug Power, 6% today. I mean, this, SUUN, 13.5%. That was one I was personally eyeballing. Let's see. I mean, everything, pretty much everything. Oh, look at the S&P, guys. Let's look at the S&P. Look at the S&P right here. Moon. Boom. I mean, guys, we are about to break a new all-time high. We are literally 0.25% away of breaking a new all-time high on the S&P 500. And guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'm giving you the sauce. Make sure you guys sub. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. I mean, imagine, guys. Imagine if someone says, hey, on this day, you have an 80% chance or 75% chance of making money at this time, at this day, every month. Would you take it? I mean, guys, some people could pay rent with this if you put, a good chunk of change in and put your stop at 3%, depending on what you like, depending on what you like. This is the super sauce, guys. I'm trying to give it to you. Now, is it always better to get confirmation on these indicators as well? Of course it is. Of course it is. Look at this. You got on Tesla right here. As long as it stays above, it closes above on a daily candle above $336 with volatility moving to the upside, we're looking for more upside. We're about to get a cross on the MACD. Let's see if we got any. We got some, looks like 3 drives of hidden bullish divergence, not confirmed yet, but it will be it's very close to confirming on that. So you can see where this stuff is lining up. Okay, now Tesla's already made a pretty nice move, so people are going to look to take profit. There's an old a trade saying. Look at this. We got our touches here. There's an old a trading saying that three drives. So if we get one more candle to the upside, usually that fourth candle, people like to take profits. You'll see here, three candles, take profit. Okay. Let's find another one. Three candles, take profit. Three candles. This was actually a good one. Peaked at 4. I mean, yeah, it does happen. But a lot of times they like to take profit, okay, after three candles. Right here's a 4 candle drive. So it does happen. But look, three candles, take profit. Um, this is a nice run right here. I'm not saying, guys, I'm not saying to take profit at 3 candles. But what I am saying is take a little profit, move your stop loss to your buy-in price. Okay? That's all I'm saying. This way you're making money guaranteed. And at that point, you have nothing to lose. If it comes back under and it takes you out at where you bought in at that full moon, because we don't want to see on this moon, guys. Let me go back to the moon chart on Tesla. We don't want to see. I'm just giving you Tesla as an example, but you can do this with any of your stocks, guys. We don't want to see um, this low getting a higher turn time frame closing under this low, which is around let's see, when did it start? Around 3:30. Okay, so I mean, if you bought in when I was telling you when this moon was popping up and you said, "Hey, I'm going to buy in as soon as the market opens," if you would have bought in right there, you'd be at 3:30. And guess what, guys? You'd be in the game right here. You'd be in the game right here, where you'd have your stop loss. You would have took a little bit of money off the table. Uh, you would have your stop loss to your buy-in price, and now it's just let it ride. Let this thing ride. Take money when you need it. Take money when you want it. Take money when the charts kind of tell you to take money. Okay, when you start to see some of these indicators, flip flip to the downside. Start to, or it looks like it's getting ready to, or you see a bearish candle or something. I mean, there's so many things that you can see. So, I'm giving you guys the sauce, and take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of my knowledge that I've been doing for all these years. Okay, listen. Much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching the video. I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can for you guys because a lot of traders are just learning this type of stuff. So listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys sub. It keeps me motivated to do these. And guys, these aren't the only tricks I can teach you of the game. There's tons more. There's so many other things that I'm going to teach you guys as my channel progresses. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up and like my videos and all that fun stuff and subscribe. Okay. So much love and peace out to you guys.